Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the number of days in between two dates in Excel. So first, let's enter some information. We are going to have a start date and an end date. Let's enter the start date is May 15, 2023, and we want to find the number of days between that date, May 20, 2025. One way you can do this is by typing an equal sign and then selecting the cell that contains the end date. In this case, cell C4, you can see it's highlighted, and subtracting the beginning date, which is in cell B4. This will give you 736 days between those two dates. Another way to do the same thing is by using the days function. Type days and then start with the end date, cell C4, followed by a comma and then the beginning date, cell B4. Close the parenthesis and that will also give you the same answer, the number of days between those two dates. So that's how you can find the number of days between two dates using Excel. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.